I don't like putting fingerprints on my products. Plus, it looks more professional when I do this. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be reviewing a cell phone lens that is quite impressive to the one I did in the past. However, there are only two lenses with this one, ultra wide and the macro lens. The weight and craftsmanship of this product is quite impressive. It's huge compared to the other one I did in the past. I'm a little confused on the size of it because it doesn't really require this massive lens. They could have definitely shrunk it down a lot, but it does perform well. So the ultra wide angle lens works really nice. It comes with a wiping cloth to wipe it down, the lens itself. It comes with a carrying case for the lens, and it comes with obviously the clip that goes on the cell phone with the lens and a dust cover for the front of it. The key factor here is to line up the lens, this lens, with the current lens on the cell phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video here. I'm going to show you with it on and then with it off. I'm going to suddenly take the lens off, and you'll see the difference immediately from the wide angle to a not wide angle. You can clearly see stuff getting much closer. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so now the macro lens does the same thing as all the other macro lenses. I remember I'm holding this manually with my hand. So let's see how close in we can get on this. And super clear. I mean, again, we can see that this image is a bunch of dots. Sorry, it's my shakiness of my hand. I mean, that's quite impressive. Look how zoomed in we are. We're maxed in at 8x on the phone. And this, let me zoom out so you can kind of see. You know, let me take off the macro lens and see how far away we were. That's pretty impressive, I have to say. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,